Imagine earning $2 per minute in 2024 without ever leaving your couch. No experience necessary, no hidden fees. All you have to do is simply watch ads. Ready to transform your screen time into cash? Begin your journey toward financial freedom today. I will guide you through every step of the way, help you enhance your skills, and show you how to make money online. Welcome to this channel. If you want to stay updated on the latest online money-making methods, subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell. So now let's get into the video. You must have watched a lot of ads in your life, maybe even currently on YouTube, but most of the ads that you have watched, I bet you never got paid for it. I have a website that will pay you for just doing that. To start, head over to ptcshare.com and I will leave the link of the website in my description. This platform is well established, having distributed over $200,000 to its users. It has a solid track record, making it a reliable option with a transparent system. Users worldwide report earnings ranging from $1 to over $10. PTC Share offers multiple ways to make money for free, including watching ads, surveys, and offer walls. With a low payout threshold, you can earn up to $1 per 5 ad views. Getting started is simple. Click the register button, create a username, password, and then enter your email address. Make sure to check the boxes to confirm you are not a robot, and then agree to the terms of services. Then hit create account. The service is free and accessible worldwide. No matter where you are located, whether it is in Nigeria, South Africa, Indonesia, UK, Canada, India, it does not matter. After activating your account, log in and then you'll see your dashboard. To watch ads, simply click on Earn button next to the dashboard. Then you'll see a bunch of tasks that you can do to make money. The first one is view ads, so click on that. Since the video is about how to make money watching ads, click on view paid ads to earn. Per ad, you'll make around either 0.005 to 0.002. So click on that and then you'll have to solve a CAPTCHA, a very easy one. You'll just have to click on what they tell you to click and confirm, then wait till the timer ends. And that's it. You will have money in your account. From the 2 ads that I viewed, I made 0.01455. I know that is little, but it's still something. And if you are wondering on how you will withdraw the money once you reach the minimal threshold, then you will need payment systems like Perfect Money or Payeer. And if you have Binance, then you can receive the money through Bitcoin or Litecoin. And that wraps up our today's guide. Click on the link in the description below and sign up before this website gets overflooded. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.